First, install the lower bracket. Connect the cross beam to the left and right lower brackets with fixing screws, and tighten with an Allen wrench. Install the pack bracket. Lock with set screw. After the bracket is installed, lift the battery pack into the bracket and tighten with screws. Assemble the remaining brackets and battery packs in sequence. Push the PBU into the bracket and tighten it with screws. Connect the ground wires one by one and adjust the positions. The bottom ground wire is grounded. Connect the communication lines in sequence. The upper part connects to COM2 and the lower part connects to COM1. Use a series wire to connect the lower battery B to the upper battery B+. Be careful not to connect them incorrectly. The bottom battery B+ is connected to DUB+. Power on.
Adjust the time and display brightness via the PBU operation panel.